Have you come across cuts, tears in your mobile USB cables? It's quite common nowadays, especially the way you'll keep your mobile for charge. Sometimes what could happen is it could be held somewhere else, caught between something else, and got torn off, or maybe stuck between the drawers or something. Some or the other incident happens, and your mobile USB cables usually tear off in different sorts of forms. So, uh, in case this has happened with you all, here is a quick fix of what you could do in such a situation. So, stay with me and let's and so stay with me and know what is this quick fix all about. So this is the USB cable for the mobile charger that I have, and I'll show you. Here is the place where it's a little cut off. There's a tear in the wire. It's a small one, not quite visible, but however, I feel it would be wise enough to cover the area which is cut pre-handed so that it couldn't go under more of a complex situation. Here, this is the cling film wrap which you use to cover the food, and you need a pair of scissors. So I'll just try to open up this cling film wrap so that I could cut out how much I require. Here, as you can see, I am just trying to get the end first of this cling film roll, and once I get open it fully from both the sides, loosen the roll from both the sides, because you'll know exactly how much you require to cut once it's loose from both sides there, and then you can just cut as you would a straight thin film of this you'll require. So since this is a small one, I'll just take a small piece. Yes, you need to be careful because usually cling film is such type that it would stick to itself once you remove it, tear it off, cut it off. So I'll start by winding the place where it's torn on the wire. Now, you all have to keep in mind when you all use this cling film wrap, when you all roll it around the area where it's torn, pull it tight and roll it. Initially, you'll have to catch it, and then when you roll it over and over, see that you give a little tighter pull each time that you roll it around the wire. Why are we doing this? We are ensuring that it is secure tightly and will not be loosened up easily. Now, for those of you all who usually use your USB cables in a very rough way, I would suggest that once you wrap the cling film, use the hair dryer so that it stays uh, tight in one position. Now, here, if you find after rolling that there's a piece which is excess, just tear it off and remove it. Otherwise, just roll it around. Now, can you see it's completely rolled? In order to ensure that there's nothing sticking out, or there's no extra piece which might come out by fidgeting, just move your fingers around the area, and this extra piece you can see, you can just pull it off and tear it off. So you don't have anything extra which would get caught up somewhere and come out. So basically you can just move your fingers like this, rub it around the place, and you'll know that nothing is coming out, so your wire is intact, there's nothing wrong, and this will last you for quite some time. And whenever it's gone, again you can just use the cling film. So, hope this quick fix is going to come in use. I know not everybody would have cling films in their house, but In case if you all do have, I would suggest you all to use it, because it's a quick way to get that cut, that tone area of the wire where there's a tear. You could cover it easily with the cling film. So use this hack, let me know. I do not prefer using the electric tape, because I have used it and I have seen in time it loosens up and then it moves around the whole area in your wire, but the cling film stays intact in the same place where it is. So make use of it in case if you all have come across something like this kind of situation. And let me know what do you all have to say regarding this hack. Also send me your comments and let me know if you all have any kind of hacks in which you all make use of in your day-to-day life that could help someone else. It would make life easier for someone else as well. You can send us your comments or email. And for those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget and click on the subscribe button to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of House.